श्रीशैलवंश सम्पूता सम्पत्सुध बुधाम्बुदेह प्राप्तागमान्तमनघं गोपालार्य महंश्रये श्रीमते गोपालतातार्य महादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीकृष्णार्यं करुणालयं तं वेदान्तयुग्मं समतीतवन्तं वत्साभिजातं वदुषां वरेण्यं श्रीभाष्यसिंहं प्रणमामि नित्यं। श्रीमते वात्स्य श्रीकृष्णमार्य महादेशिकाय नमः। वात्स्य श्री कृष्ण सूरीन्द्र पदपंकज षट्पदम अनंत पद्मनाभार्यं भारद्वाजमहं भजे। श्रीमते अनंत पद्मनाभार्य महादेशिकाय नमः। अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। உண்டோ வைகாசி விசாகத்துக் கொப்பொருநாள் உண்டோ சடகோபர் கொப்பொருவர் உண்டோ திருவாய்மொழி கொப்பு தென்குருகை கொண்டோ ஒரு பார்த்தனிலொக்குமோர். A couple named Kari and Udayanangai prayed to Vadivalagiya Nambi Perumal in Tirukkurungudi, which is also known as Vamanapuri. It is near Tirukkurugur in Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu, the southern part of India. Answering the prayers of the couple, Tirukkurungudi Nambi announced to the couple that he himself will be born to them soon. On the 43rd day of Kali Yugam, in the Tamil year of Bahudanyam, in Vasantaritu, Visakha Nakshatram, Nammalvar was born to them. Even after many days of being born, the child born to the couple was not behaving like a normal child. We humans are made of Panchabhutas, that is, water, air, fire, earth, and space. The normalcy in us is that we cry, smile, sleep, eat, blink, shake hands and legs. But the baby did nothing at all. Hence, the couple named the child as Maran. The naming ceremony was done in the temple premises of Tirukkurugur under a big old tamarind tree which exists even today. In our Sampradayam, this tree is considered as Avataram of Adiseshan and is known as Tirupuli Alvar. Even today, it is believed that all our prayers to Tirupuli Alvar is being answered. It is under this tree the couple placed the baby in the cradle and did the naming ceremony. However, the shine in the child's face signified that he is very special and he is aprakrutam. Proving the parents right, the baby just climbed up the tamarind tree and got into a hole that was pre-existing in the tree already. The baby did neither wish to see anyone or he did not have any kind of relationship with anyone. கார்கலந்த மேனியான் கை கலந்த ஆழியான் பார்கலந்த வல்வயிற்றான் பாம்பனையான் சீர்கலந்த சொல் நினைந்து போக்காரில் சூழ்வினையின் நாள் துயரை என் நினைந்து போக்குவர் இப்போது. Alvar is asking how really people are spending their time if not for doing Nama Sankirtanam to Perumal. Alvar feels even உலக இயற்கை, not understanding people's mentality, he decided not to talk to anyone and meditated with his eyes closed in the hole of a tamarind tree. Such was Nammalvar's Vairagyam at birth. When are we going to develop this kind of a determination? Let's hold on to Perumal's Shatari, that is Nammalvar, to get away from the samsara sagaram. Kanyasmi.